Hi, this is Meir. Today is November 11th, Monday. I'm going to share my recap. I did two trades today on two names, Baba and Tesla. So Baba was my first. It was a loser, 1 hour loser. So Baba had great news with their Prime Day, or their their biggest day of the year, and they outperformed. They had huge sales. However, I came into the day and it was down by like 1.5%. So I was really wondering why it's down. So I was thinking maybe it was selling off really strong ahead of the open. So I was hoping to maybe catch a reversal and see if it could pop up. If I could take a long. So it popped up right at the open just a bit, 184, 185. I got it near 185, looking for the pop here up maybe to get. I didn't have exact target in mind, but I was looking to get some momentum. And it really failed me, and it dropped here down. I got out luckily at 184.45 about. So I took about 40-cent loss, roughly, 40-cent loss on this, and I'm happy. I'm glad I got out because look at the tremendous drop that it made afterwards. I didn't think that Baba could drop like that so quickly, so I'm glad that I got out. So this was 1 hour loss. I'm fine with that. And then I looked into Tesla. So Tesla on the daily really was interesting. This was Tesla on the daily. Everyone knows it came up all the way, came up very strong here after their earnings and made this tremendous move. And that was breaking. It consolidated. It consolidated, and then it broke up above. It broke up above this consolidation. So I really liked it for long. It was opening up above this 340 level. So I was hoping that I could get a sell off at the open and take it long for a breakout. So after my Baba trade, I looked over to Tesla, and Tesla dumped really strong. So I was really glad for that. A little bit scary, this trade, but it was really low risk trades. So I took it at 340 at this huge dump. I took it at 342.50 roughly. I was gonna give it till low of day 350. So I really gave it like a 5-cent 50-cent loss on this. I took small share size because I know Tesla could be really crazy. So I got on long here. It popped up above 343. I took off a little bit. I think I took off a quarter. I have to look, but this is a little bit too much. I should have took off 10%. I think that Baba loss maybe because I had a first loss that rattled me a little bit, and I wanted to take profits more quickly. But this should have been 10% with my new hotkeys and my new system. Then here popped up at 344 and high of day, took off 10%. I think this is all 10%. With momentum here at 347. I was looking at 346. I got out 346.38, about $0.50. I was looking for this 347 level, but I didn't get it. It made this big dump here. I was still a little patient and hopeful maybe it will go up to 347, even though it made a 1 minute low. Then it dropped again, so I didn't like the drop. I got all out. I only had 10% left here at 344. Yeah, when it broke the 345 level. So this was a 3-hour trade, which puts me 2 hour over on the day. I mean, considering 50-cent risk, and I made an average of $3. So that's like 6 times the risk on this specific trade. But overall, it was a 2-hour trade. So yeah, that was that. It really did this 347 level that I took from the day. I didn't think it was too significant, but at the time, but it really did. Respected several times. Couldn't break above that 347. It was keeping it as resistance. So this was really strong. So I tried once, tried twice, 3 times. Again here, can't break above that 347. That's amazing. Thank you everyone for watching, and please like it. I really appreciate any feedback, and have a wonderful day.